Let's introduce the absorbance test mode. First open our Spectrum test software, and then click to find the spectrometer. After finding it, we still have to adjust its integration time in the original Spectrum mode before testing. Adjust the integration time to a suitable size, click Single Test. We can see that the spectrum curve now belongs to a more appropriate position. Then this integration time is appropriate. After adjusting the integration time, let's do the absorbance test again. Before doing the absorbance test, the integration time has been adjusted. At this time we click Then click on Absorbance Test. Absorbance test before testing. It is also necessary to perform a reference operation. First switch the mode to Absorbance Absorption Test. Absorption Test. Then when selecting the Absorption Test mode, its data display mode will automatically switch to relative values. Then we have to do the operation of detaching the background and making a meal pen. Background and meal pen preparation must be done before the absorption test. Subtracting the background means subtracting the background light or sound. Making a meal pen means putting the meal pen solution into it, such as clean water or distilled water. As a 100% test, the blue light bulb in the toolbar is the background. The yellow light bulb is a meal pen. As for the background buckle, you only need to do it once before testing. As for the meal pen, you can test it repeatedly according to your situation. Of course, the premise is to buckle the background. Make sure your spectrometer is in a dark environment. In the absence of light, remove the background when the light source is turned off. So let's do it now. Click button Background. Now turn on the light source. Make another meal pen. Then we go to test. At this time we can see there is a parallel horizontal line in the middle. This is the spectral curve. When your spectral curve is at 0. Let's click on Continuous Testing. When pointing to 0, it is in a parallel state. It means that your meal pen and button background have been completed. At this time you can put your sample into the container for a test. The above is a mode of operation of the transmittance photometry test.